All right, guys, I have some massive news for you today. I've kept it a secret throughout the entire year. I've been working on this for several years now, and we're ready to get going on it. I'm ready to share with you what it is. But first, let me just put on my hat, ready for this. Okay, we here at the Investor Accelerator are launching our first ever meme coin. The name, you guessed it, Pizzino. Ticker symbol Jizz, J-I-Z-Z. This is going to be the biggest meme coin of the entire cryptocurrency cycle. This is what's going to get the cycle going again. This meme coin, Jizz. Get your load of Jizz now. It is 100% organic supply. We have fair and transparent tokenomics. The community is absolutely frothing for this. And you can bet your bottom dollar it is going to be huge. On top of that, we're going to have massive token burns as the smart contract that's locked over $1 billion worth of Jizz starts to unload its supply. You're going to see this price increase so dramatically. It is going to be premature. Now, no VCs or influencers were given any supply of Jizz. They have to build up their load on their own. Now, you're going to be in the running to have your very own load of Jizz. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and you're going to get your free Jizz. Now, what's the point of having all of this Jizz if you can't do anything with it? Well, we've solved that problem too. We're going to be launching on exchanges very soon. One load at a time, we're going to be on those exchanges. So make sure you're hodling that Jizz, diamond hands it. Try not to paper hands it because that is where you start to lose your Jizz. As with any community, we have our own incentive structures, our own names for those who like to hold the coin longer than the others. Starting with basement dwellers. So if you have a little bit of Jizz, you're one of the basement dwellers. Now, if you happen to get more than just that little bit of Jizz, you're going to be known as the blue balls. And if you want to become one of the primary massive holders of Jizz, you're going to be called a priest or a monk. Go after this Jizz, hodl it like your life depends on it, and I'll see you when we unload on April 31st. Cheers, guys.